Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will study the prepositions of and from. See the first example, the chair is made of wood. Why the preposition is of here? The material something is composed of often retaining its original form. The wood is still in its wooden form, so the chair is made of wood. See the second example, paper is made from wood. This suggests the transformation or processing of the original material. Wood is processed into a different form, here paper. This distinction highlights the difference between using materials in their original form versus transforming them into something new. Let's study some more examples. The ring is made of gold. Gold is still in its original form in the ring, right? So, the ring is made of gold. Fourth example, wine is made from grapes. Grapes are processed into wine. You won't get the grapes back in the wine, right? So, wine is made from grapes. Fifth one, the statue is made of marbles. Marble has retained its original form in the statue. So, statue is made of marble. Sixth one, bread is made from flour. Flour is transformed into bread, right? So, bread is made from flour. Seventh example, look at this sentence. The house is made of bricks. Bricks are there in their original form, in the walls. Bricks are part of the wall's construction. They have not transformed, so the house is made of bricks. Eighth one, the necklace is made of pearls. Pearls retain their original form, right? So, the necklace is made of pearls. Ninth example, clothing is made from cotton. Cotton is processed into fabric. So, clothing is made from cotton. See the 10th example, cheese is made from milk. Milk, it is processed into cheese. You won't get the milk back in its original form. So, cheese is made from milk. Next one, the jewelry is made of silver. Silver is retaining its original form in the silver. So, here the preposition is of. Thank you for watching my video.